Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. And now, I'm about to see what's inside. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Wednesday. Almost made it through this week. So that is a good thing. Here we go. What do we have here today? Alright, one more cut. There we go. I see a bird. Bird is a word. Alrighty. Now look at this. And that's it. Looks in that box. What is this? Regal Arts and Gift. Creating fun in the home garden. Alright. Birdbath feeder. Hey, it's a bird. Birds are cool though. So if you guys want to get one at low cost, click on the link. Artesian glass. Includes secure 3-prong ground stake. Ooh. They got different colors to choose from. There it is. Uh oh. Hopefully nothing is broken. There we go. I hear the rattle. Drop it down in a second. Oh, there we go. Back it up. Back it up. There we go. And it's going to come right at us. Or maybe not. Oh, come on. There we go. There's prongs right there. Alright. Where's my scissors? I'm going to set this up outside too, so I'll show you guys how it looks out. I don't have a garden. Just got some bushes and stuff. But enough for the birds to hang out. There we go. They got the little prongs on the back. Or the poles, stakes, or whatever you want to call it. So it should be easy peasy. Where's the third one? So you stick it in there. You stick this. Oh, okay. You see how it goes. It goes like this. Sure, it doesn't move. Put this one down. There we go. I'm right-handed, so there we go. We got it moving. Make sure you get it nice and secured, especially at the bottom. Wherever you're at, if you got high winds or stuff like that, crazy critters might knock it over. Let's make sure it's nice and it should be good right there. Further, there we go. Now for the top. Guys, raise you up. Have my screen turned off today. Gotta do an update. There we go. So we got the extension going. Come on. Why won't you go in? Go in your hole. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice and easy. A few twists. A few more turns. There we go. We got it. Yeah. Ah, look at that. It's almost like one whole piece. And on top, take a look at the glass. Careful with this in case you drop it. Oh, there's a hook. There. And then the bottom. That's what it looks like there. So I have to get the good old scissors again. And then, like I said, I'll go outside in a second. It's actually pretty nice out today. We're in like mid-80s tops. so not too hot out there, so I'll go outside, show you guys. There we go. There we go, that one. So definitely check them out. They did a really good job shipping with a fast delivery. Uh-oh. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go outside. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are outside. We got the Birdbath set up, installed. Looks pretty cool. It's a nice day out, so we're gonna take a look. There we go.